Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can find Uber Eats promo code so you guys can get a certain percent off from your order on Uber Eats. So follow the step in order to find the promo code. And before I show you the steps, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to this website called Coupon Follow. So search for Coupon Follow and click on the first option. It'll take you to couponfollow.com. Over here where it says search, you want to write Uber Eats. So write Uber Eats and it's going to show you ubereats.com. Click on it. All the promo code available for Uber Eats is going to be shown over here. Let's say I want to use this promo code to save up to $20 off. I can just click on show coupon code and it's going to show me this coupon code. And I can just copy it and paste it on my Uber Eats checkout page when I'm ordering something, and this promo code will be used and I will get my $20 off. So that's how you guys can find Uber Eats promo code. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.